Alright, YouTube, we're on 2013 F-350 single wheel. It came in saying that the brights would not turn off even when the truck was off. So if you put the key in, I done messed with it a little bit and got it figured out, but before it would stay on all the time. And now I got the headlights on, click it, go off. And it's still a little funky. So to get to the switch, you gotta take 3 bolts out of the bottom of your column to take your plastics off. Then you turn your steering wheel sideways. There's 2 little bolts here and there. They're size T10. Pull those 2 bolts out, and this slides out. As you can see, they're pin style, so it doesn't pull up, slides out. On the back there's 2 of the T10 bolts here and there. We're gonna pull that off and look at the inside of it and see what's going on. Here's the inside of the switch. This one here is for your blinker. Whenever you push it down, this will slide down and it'll contact on this. When it contacts on that, it'll put a different signal through a different part of this ribbon here. You can go back in through your wiring through this plug here. This one here is for the dim and high beams. When I opened this up the first time, this far left pin was pushed all the way down. So that is why it wasn't working. I pulled them all back up, flipped this back on. Let me put these screws back on. So now we got it back together. We're going to test it, make sure it works. Oh, harder to do on camera than it looks. Alright. As you can tell, it's working. I had the lights on, stayed on, off, on. But for the sake of being a fleet, we got a new one. Don't necessarily need a new one. I guess if there was a reason that it did it, then it could happen again, and we'll just go ahead and put a new one in it. Here's your part number for it. Like so. Now that we got the new one in, we're going to make sure the blinkers function correctly. That's the 3-click merge. That is a full blinker. Click up to stop. Right 3-click merge. All the way blinker. For the windshield wipers. Off. All the way on. Off. Zero wiper. Cool. So that is how you do a headlight blinker switch on a 2013 F-350